Welcome to my studio. We just finished 3 different workshops and I want to show you some of the students' work. So the first workshop was called Soul Sisters and it implemented a technique of scraping, and we tried to use bright colors and make interesting marks, plus added stencil and stamping, some with man-made stamps and some with recycled type stamps. So you see all kinds of characters emerging here, some with hair, some with hoods, some with blank faces. It was just really fun and really interesting to see what the ladies came up with. This one is my demo painting, and I have some green hair there. I think I might keep it. Here we see some crazy chaotic mark making. That's how we started the workshop for the Shopping Divas. And again, everybody is painting their own unique characters. This was very intuitive. Again, we're using lots of mark making, stamping, collage elements, and everybody got their own unique figures coming through. We didn't get too many shopping bags on these divas. They morphed into other types of stories, but nevertheless, they're very interesting. Now we move on to the painted ladies. In this workshop, we just worked on small 4 by 12 inch canvas, and we used fashion magazines to get some models for our figures. Again, lots of chaotic mark making in the background, some reductive painting, collage work, line work, stencils, and I think the ladies did a great job. Again, they're all very unique, and they had a lot of fun, and we had a lot of laughs over the course of the 3-day workshop. So I hope one day that you'll join me in my studio and take a workshop. Until then, bye-bye.